Hello and welcome fellow DIYers and energy conservation enthusiasts. What do we have here? It's a wall. Not just any wall, an old plasterboard wall. But what's behind it? That's the question. Well, I've drilled a hole and nothing. There's nothing in there at all, no insulation. It's an empty cavity. And you know what that means? It has a low R value. And that means it gets cold in winter. So I won't tolerate that, and neither should you. What can we do about it? We can stick something in there. So look over here. What have we got? Something to stick in there. Insulation. Polystyrene beads with graphite to improve the thermal properties. This stuff has pretty good R value, and it also lets air flow through the wall so we don't have a build-up of moisture, which could be a problem, and it won't support mold either. So that's the plan. Now we're just got to get it in there. So stay tuned and we'll see how to do it. Welcome back, and here we have it, my beautiful invention, the Injector Max 3000, which will take this insulation and put it in this hole. As you can see, it's actually just a leaf blower with two vacuum cleaner hoses taped on there. Not so pretty, but it does the job. So we'll jam one hose in there. And I'll take the other and position it in the hole. And we'll switch her on. And it's going in the hole! Okay, and just like that, it's done. There we go. Cavity all filled up with the beads, and then we just pop our plasterboard plug back in, and we'll patch that up, and wall's ready to be finished. And if we just want to see the effect, I've got a pretty cheap thermal imaging camera here. If we poke it at the wall where we've done some before, we can see on the left side we have warmer than the right, so we know it's doing its job. Any questions or comments, put them down below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.